don't look at me. I think my camera's too cold to keep stopping. It's a cold 28 degrees right now. It's actually crazy that it's 28 degrees right now. We got ice on the road. I saw that. Man, it's cold. And this morning I took a look at I saw an oil leak, and it's the same oil leak on the stator. That shit is leaking. It's time to replace that bad boy, man. Working out here in this freaking shit, even if it's indoors, that's way too cold, bro. I bought a new winter jacket. I don't have it on right now because it still has to come, but I did buy a new winter jacket. It's good stuff. I got some fleece line lining pants and whatnot. I fixed the exhaust leak because I remember in one of the other videos somebody was just like, wow, you can really hear his head's ticking. No, sorry, it's not head tick, it's an exhaust leak. So I fixed that. That took me like 5 minutes to fix. That was the easiest thing. I still have gas in the tank, man. Check the gas tank. You know, I'm gonna check the gas tank. Let me check the gas tank before we do anything crazy, cause I mean, it looks like we're okay. We got like 2 gallons in there, and that's good enough. It's 28 degrees, bro, and I'm doing something different. I'm filming in 24 FPS just to see how that goes. I usually film in 30. I've seen some guys recording in 24 FPS, and I just, got a little curious. Just now. Jesus. Let's stop traffic approaching. Okay, man. This is a lot of traffic. But we're super late. I had to text my boss, let him know. I need some mechanic friends to chime in on this one. So I have 2 brand new tires. However, they were previously mounted on my R1, right? I took those R1 tires off to try and put them on the Gixxer, but because the R1 rim is a 6-inch rim in the rear and I don't know what the front is, the Gixxer is smaller. It's a 5.5. So as a result of it being 5.5, I was about to take the cup, but they got the freaking little things in the thing. But yeah, the tire won't rebead onto this rim essentially, and I need some tips and tricks of how to get this thing rebeaded properly, because I'm not about to do the freaking starter fluid or lighter fluid, whatever it is, method. I'm gonna cause an explosion. But if you guys recommend that, I'm down to try it and see what happens, because if I could get those tires on this bike, I save myself $400, $500, you know? And ultimately, I would like to, you know, save myself some money. Because I do not want to have to buy new tires right now if I don't need to, you know? I'm sliding all over the place, guys. You don't understand how much traction I don't have in this cold weather right now. It's actually really crazy how much traction I don't have. I'm just freaking hitting the gas. It's like, yoo! And I'm just like, like freaking hitting the rear brake to stop the freaking tire from spinning while accelerating. Doing that also while you're in a wheelie, like say you're drag racing. Well, I mean, doesn't necessarily have to be drag racing, but say you're moving fast and yeah, Yeah, that shit is leaking. But anyway, say you're moving fast, you got a higher CC bike, and you hit the gas and, you know, you start power wheeling. If you just tap the rear brake or like drag the rear brake a little bit, you can bring down the front while not getting off the gas. Cool, right? We're about to kill this guy. Alright, have a good day, guys.